Hi, Kata.
Hi, I love you, Sarah.
I love you too, baby.
Wait, you know what? You look so beautiful. Just throw your head out the window.
Throw my head out the window.
Yeah. Rip your head off and get another head.
Kata,
What are you talking about? This is not
you said you were going to do a nice one.
Oh, I love Sarah, but one day she needs to smell my stinky toes. Have you smelled Sarah's stinky toes? Oh, I'm sorry. That's nothing. You don't need to know my conversation. I love Sarah. She acts so adorable. She broke her leg, but I forgive her and I love her as much as I love my puppy. Now my brother and my dad, my stepbrother, I hate them. They're stinky. They killed a lot. Oh, especially my father. My stepbrother's mother.